Connecting solar panels, series and parallel configurations. This document provides a comprehensive overview of how to connect solar panels in series and parallel configurations, detailing the advantages and considerations of each method. It also outlines the steps for solar panel installation. It discusses the connection of solar systems to the utility grid, as well as the possibility of using solar panels without batteries. Series connection. Connect the positive terminal of one panel to the negative terminal of the next. Increases the system voltage. The panel's voltage adds together, but the amperage remains the same. Parallel connection. Link the positive terminals together, and the negative terminals together. Maintains voltage while increasing current. Allow for more independent power production between the panels. Wiring solar panels. Use appropriately rated wires and connectors. Ensure correct polarity. Install a charge controller and inverter to manage power flow. Use MC4 connectors to facilitate easy weatherproof connections. Solar panel installation steps. Install the mount. Put the solar panels in place. Install the electrical wiring. Connect the solar inverter to the system. Connect the solar inverter to the solar battery. Link the solar inverter to the power grid. Just like a battery, solar panels have two terminals, one positive and one negative. When you connect the positive terminal of one panel to the negative terminal of another panel, you create a series connection. When you connect two or more solar panels like this, it becomes a PV source circuit. Best way to connect solar panels. Connecting in series is one of the easiest ways to connect your solar power systems. Connecting two fixed solar panels in this way, same wattage, will multiply the system voltage by 2 and keep the output current at the same level. Connecting solar panels to the mains. There are two basic approaches to connecting a grid-tied solar panel system. Load-side connection, made after the main breaker. Line or supply-side connection, made before the main breaker. Parallel circuit. In terms of power production, it is better to wire solar panels in a parallel circuit rather than a series. Parallel solar wiring allows for more independent power production between the panels but also increases the system's upfront costs for materials and installation. Connecting two solar panels to one battery. Yes, you can connect two solar panels to one charge controller, provided the combined voltage and current match the controller's specifications. Connecting solar panel directly to inverter without battery. Yes, you can connect a solar panel directly to an inverter without a battery. However, you'll only have power when the sun is shining. How does it work? The inverter converts the DC power from the solar panel to AC. You can directly consume the energy produced by your solar panels on sunny days. Considerations. Grid reliance. Without a battery, you are dependent on the grid. Blackouts. During blackouts, you'll be in the dark. Type of inverter. The type of inverter and the configuration of the solar energy system can affect whether you can run an inverter solely on solar panels. Other considerations. Some inverter manufacturers have products that allow you to directly power essential loads during blackouts. Off-grid solar inverters without batteries are popular because they are simple and cost-effective. For further learning, you can watch videos that explain how to connect solar panels directly to an inverter without a battery.